I'll try to do a recap of this trading week, but honestly I do not see any sense to do that because my family in Ukraine and anything can happen with them. So okay, let's start. That was a short week, 2 days to the downside and 2 days to the upside on a SPY. First stock on my watch list was Facebook. I said that below this blue rectangle, that's a short situation. First trading day was on February 22nd. So obviously this situation is not tradable for me because no consolidation after breakout. Next day, February 23rd, that's a tradable situation because first of all, there was a negative news on the stock market. Facebook made a false breakout of this blue rectangle, closed under it, and then made a one candle, not big candle, like a doji below this resistance area, confirming that sellers are strong and they held the short situation. So entry point in this case could be 200.05 and exit point could be at this low. So I didn't trade. This is just a theoretical recap because my mind was busy with, so you understand. So potential entry 200.05, potential exit 200.01. So in any case, you see there is on this indicator a huge low and there is a rebound on the 5-minute charts, $4 movement, so that's good and understandable signs to exit positions with the profits. Next stock was ROKU. ROKU, I said that a price not far away from the important level 117.56, and on February 22nd there was a breakout, then a pullback with a confirmation of a breakout to the upside. So this is of course a pattern situation, and with a stop loss about $1, that would be a safe entry for a long trade after this pullback to buy ROKU. So stop loss could be $1 and take profit after this huge leg up, and exit exit could be on this first red candle. So entry about 118.5 and exit 124.5, about $6 take profit. Then consolidation, another breakout, but a huge movement. I think I wouldn't trade such a fast movement. And then you see ROKU wants to close gap, and it's almost done. It's almost done. That means that fundamentally investors think that ROKU is undervalued right. Next stock was Etsy. I said that below this level 125.37 could be a safe and understandable short situation. So let's see, February 22nd, there was a consolidation after breakout of this level. So entry could be about 124.75 with a stop loss $1 and take profit maybe here 122.75. So $2 take profit. Then next day one more short situation. You see consolidation, sellers didn't allow price to break the level, and on this red candle that closed at the low, that could be a good another short entry with a price for a short 124.60, and position could be held at the end of the day. So about $5 take profit could be easily on February 23rd. And then Etsy got a good earnings report. So next week we can see a bullish momentum continuation in case of bullish momentum on S&P 500. Next stock was DOCU. DocuSign had a short situation. Yeah, finally chart is loaded. So let's open February 22nd. There was no entry point for me, definitely. Here, I think I would trade this closing below the level and got a stop loss. Then I would try one more time, and I think that would be a break even. Then on February 24th, that was a great situation for a short trade. One rejection, second rejection, and third rejection on small candles. That's a perfect situation for me because 5-minute candle, that's a size of stop loss for me. The smaller the candle, that the less potential loss can be for me. So on this red candle that closed below the level was perfect entry for me, about 109, and exit 100.07. $2 take profit. Okay, next stock was Sweet Green. Sweet Green made a choppiness at my level. Let's open February 22nd. So on this candle I would definitely open my short position because candle closed below the level, and I would go to stop loss. Then at this consolidation I would enter my short position again, because for me consolidation, that's a sign of a confirmation of continuation, and I would take about 50 cents take profit, maybe 40 cents, just to return my losses day before. Next day, February 24th, see at this perfect formation when stock made a sharp move to the upside and then a reversal hammer red candle at the top, making a false breakout of the level. That's a textbook situation. That's almost a situation without risk in 99% of trading days. So I would definitely open my short position here, 24 maybe 0.15, and closed at the low of the day. That was logical. Maybe 23.15. So $1 take profit would be okay, and would be realistic for this situation. And next stock, Marqeta, ticker MQ. Let's look at daily chart. So I said that Marqeta is on a long watch list for me, and let's look. It was on a long watch list because of this false breakout 1 week before and consolidation above the level. But then Marqeta made a choppiness on February 22nd, and after closing below the level, finally established a consolidation in a horizontal small range, 3 candles. That's a textbook situation for me. Breakout, 3 candles consolidation, entry point for a short. So potential short entry 9.77 and exit 9.27. 50 cents on such a cheap stock. That's just perfect. And next day that could be a long situation, but I do not like to swing on such a volatile market. That's why I wouldn't enter any position here. And last stock, Paramount, ticker PARA. So let's open 5-minute charts. That was a choppiness, and on February 18th, 1 week ago, I said that this is situation for a long trade because of false breakout. If I do not mistake, then there was choppiness. Movement was such a quick and a lot of risk. Usually I didn't trade such charts. Then also sharp move, choppiness, and no entry for me. February 24th, maybe this cup and handle formation and consolidation after a successful retest and breakout of the resistance could be entry point for me to buy Paramount stock at the price 28.35 and to close position at the 28.90. And next day that could be also a safe entry point after breaking another resistance and consolidating above it. About $29 could be entry for a long trade, and $29.50 I would definitely exit my position after this pin bar candle. So that's a recap. As usual, if you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comments.